So today Volkswagen Golf 1.6 TDI mass airflow sensor problem. It has trouble codes, engine light illuminated, diesel injector light flashing and so on. As you did see, there are two trouble codes present. One is for the sensor itself and the second one is for intake leak. In case you have an intake leak that could be, then obviously check all those vacuum lines. As well, make sure that the turbocharger hose is connected and not cracked. In some cases it can be popped off and then it's making problem. For this particular car there is no problem with the hose, the vacuum line, everything. I did rear check, are okay. And other thing what you can do, take the brake cleaner, check intake leaks, plastic on the hoses, and then you can see if its engine RPM starts rising, then you have air sucking in somewhere as well. I did this, nothing. Now let's go to the car and show you what the scan tool can show us. Now, while inside the car, as you can see, the glow plug light flashing, engine light illuminated. Car has no power when we're trying to accelerate. So let's take the engine control module and see what this smarter machine can show us. So I have engine control management opened. Take the live data and let's see RMS actual value. Right now the car is in idle and in perfect world it should be between 2 and 9 grams. Right now it's going crazy. And if you raise the RPMs to 2500, 2.3, 2.5k, then you get between 15 and 30 grams should be the ideal specification. Right now, if I'm raising the RPMs, this thing is going crazy, 180 grams. So definitely we have a problem with this one. And if you're doing this, make sure the car is warm, the engine is warm. Do not do it with the cold engine. So now I have the brand new mass airflow sensor and I'm going to replace it and let's see the results after that. Now changing the mass sensor, pretty much you take this airbox off, torques 25. Take this huge clamp, move it aside, take this vacuum hose, and now there is 2 bolts which you have to take out. Okay, now after deleting the trouble codes, after changing the mass airflow sensor, the engine light and the spiral is gone. So let's go to live data and see what grams we get now. But now we have much smaller numbers here. 14 grams and the dropping, no crazy numbers. I'm not sure what's a specific number for this particular Volkswagen Golf. It may be higher, a little bit higher, because different brands and makes. Maybe that 2 to 9 won't apply here, who knows, we will see. Now nothing else, time to take this test drive, make sure that everything runs perfectly, and if everything is okay, then this video will be uploaded. Thanks for watching.